Okay, we're back at the Terry10. Sure looks like a couple videos ago, right? I just couldn't handle it smoking, so I had it bored out. I went 75 over just because I had a piston. So it's one of those Pro X pistons. And yeah, boom, new. So get this thrown on. I got gasket kit. I need to ring it. Start getting the whole thing back together. I got a new gasket kit for Terry10, and you know, I can't. I started putting that piston together, and then I'm like, yeah, and then I came across the exhaust gasket seal, exhaust valve seal. I'm like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it in there. I am not gonna pull this motor back apart for any reason other than to make it faster. And I don't think we need to do that. This is a really good 110, guys. I mean, I cannot tell you how good that transmission feels. And you just know that this thing's never had a kid underneath it, you know. Every time it was ridden respectively. Yeah, we're going to change that gasket out. I ordered this Athena gasket kit. It was the cheapest. It was $13. The copper gasket that's for it is kind of oversized, and I had to do that to it. Not too happy about that, but I know it ain't going to move, and that's the whole problem I've had the whole time. So it'll be alright. She'll crush. So she's being hiccupy, but she's running. Now I got the idle running high because she just fall on her ass, kind of. Like that. See? Fell right on its ass. Don't know what that's about. But it is 9:30 at night, so I can't really go out and ride it and see what I think about it. So, look how nice and clean that is. That's how nice this 110 is, guys. That shows it right there. Look how nice that is. No smoke. Now she's doing better. She needed to run for a bit. Why is it smoking? Okay, I figured out I can calm down. You know, it's smoking there a little at the end. There's the reason. Look at that. Look how oil wet that freaking muffler is. So I'm sure what I did is I got the muffler hot enough that I'm burning off some oil. So here comes Oliver. This gator. Put it in there. What, Henry? So there she is. Terry10. It's done. Yay! I still want to ride it around for a week. Woo! I did get close to the ground, didn't I? Heck yeah. I'm just going over the bridge. You're so fast! So, yeah, I'm going to put something in there to get that to stop rattling. That's annoying. Have to do something on that. But there she is, Terry10. Coming to a romp video soon. Say bye, Oliver.